Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the fix works. Confirm your Apple ID, payment method, and that the device has at least 500 MB free. Next, force close the App Store and restart the device because a fresh process clears transient errors. Once done, toggle Wi-Fi and cellular data to refresh network routes and sign out of the App Store. Wait about 10-20 seconds, then sign back in so your account session reinitializes and queued downloads reevaluate. Now you tackle the middle steps. First, pause and resume the stuck download by tapping the app icon. This often forces a state refresh. If the app remains stuck, delete the partial download, press and hold, remove it, then reinstall from the App Store to fetch a clean package. Make sure to check iOS. Older releases can carry download bugs, so update to the latest version if available, because system updates frequently include fixes for app installation and download state machines. Finish by resolving deeper network or account problems. Reset network settings to clear saved Wi-Fi profiles and DNS entries, because corrupted network state blocks downloads. Once reset, reconnect and try the download again. If the issue persists, sign into the App Store on another device to confirm whether your Apple ID or payment is blocking installs. If everything still stalls, gather diagnostics and contact Apple support. This identifies server-side or account limit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.